Welcome to the NewsRamp Health, Fitness, and Wellness Podcast. I'm your host, Max Newsman, and I'm thrilled to have you with us today. NewsRamp.com curates the latest business news from leading newswires, bringing you the most relevant stories to keep you informed and inspired. Now, a quick note before we dive in. While this podcast is produced with the assistance of AI and AI voices, rest assured that the stories we're sharing are very real, and the complete news stories can be found at newsramp.com. It's Tuesday morning, July 29th, 2025, and we have a lineup of health, fitness, and wellness headlines and stories that you won't want to miss. So, grab your coffee, lace up those running shoes, or settle into your favorite chair, and let's get started. Here is our first headline.
Biomed News breaks. Scinai Immunotherapeutics led Nasdaq Scinai publishes peer-reviewed data supporting PC1-1 as potential disease modifier. Scinai Immunotherapeutics Ltd., traded on Nasdaq under the symbol SCNI, has released peer-reviewed data supporting PC1-1 as a potential disease modifier. The study, published in the Journal of Dermatological Treatment, confirmed PC1-11's disease-modifying potential in humanized models of pemphigus by targeting soluble Fas ligand. This first-in-class human anti-Fas ligand monoclonal antibody showed the ability to prevent blister formation, offering a non-immunosuppressive approach. CEO Amir Reichman believes these findings demonstrate PC1-1's potential to transform treatment for high unmet need indications like SJS-10, delivering value to patients and shareholders. For more information, visit Scinai Immunotherapeutics website at scinai.com.
Tech Media Breaks. Izotropic Corporation CT IZOZF 1R3 highlights IzoView breast CT advantages over existing imaging technologies. Izotropic Corporation, a medical device company, has introduced the IzoView breast CT imaging system, offering high-resolution imaging without breast compression. This system aims to enhance breast cancer screening, diagnosis, and treatment planning, especially for women with dense breast tissue. Developed under a global license from UC Davis, IzoView provides 100 times greater spatial resolution than MRI at a lower cost and with shorter scan times. To learn more, visit Izotropic's website at izocorp.com. Tech Media Wire is a communications platform focusing on technology-driven companies, providing access to various wire solutions and editorial syndication. For more information, visit techmediawire.com. GeoVax accelerates development of GEO-MVA vaccine amid expanding global Mpox crisis and reaffirmed WHO emergency designation. GeoVax Labs Inc. is accelerating the development of its GEO-MVA Mpox vaccine candidate in response to the expanding global Mpox crisis. With a surge in Mpox cases across Africa and the WHO reaffirming emergency status, GeoVax is pursuing an expedited development strategy. Recent EMA guidance supports a streamlined regulatory pathway for GEO-MVA, reinforcing the urgent need for scalable vaccine solutions. The company aims to finalize manufacturing and initiate human trials, develop a continuous manufacturing platform, and collaborate internationally to ensure equitable vaccine access. GeoVax's CEO emphasizes the importance of diversified solutions in the face of rising Mpox cases and the emergence of more virulent strains.
HyperCORE International names new president. HyperCORE International, a partner site network of clinical trial sites across North America, has appointed Nicholas Focil as its new president. With nearly 2 decades of experience in clinical operations leadership, strategic partnerships, and expansion into emerging markets, Focil is set to enhance HyperCORE's impact in the global clinical research space. Focil, founder and CEO of FOMAT Medical Research, has led Phase 4 trials across more than 70 therapeutic areas in the U.S. and Latin America. Outgoing President Carlos Orantes has laid a strong foundation for HyperCORE's growth, passing the baton to Focil. Focil aims to continue building HyperCORE's pioneering legacy, collaborating with partner site networks to broaden trial reach and deliver diverse, high-quality research benefiting patients and sponsors.
Creative Biolabs pioneers next-gen single-domain antibody solutions amid rising therapeutic demand. Creative Biolabs, a biotechnology service provider, is pioneering next-gen single-domain antibody solutions in response to rising therapeutic demand. A recent Nature Communications study highlighted SDAbs' ability to neutralize SARS-CoV-1 and NAT2 with high potency, making them valuable in oncology, neurology, and infectious disease research. Creative Biolabs offers end-to-end SDAb development solutions, leveraging SDAb's advantages such as deep tissue penetration, exceptional stability, rapid clearance, and low immunogenicity. They specialize in bispecific SDAb development, multivalent SDAb engineering, SDAb libraries, and custom production services to translate SDAb concepts into clinically available molecules. These SDAbs like molecular pliers, critical against various pathogens. Learn more at Creative Biolabs' website.
Creative Biolabs to host webinar on next-generation tumoroid-on-a-chip technology. Creative Biolabs will host a webinar on August 22, 2025 at 12 p.m. EDT, focusing on the tumoroid-on-a-chip platform, a 3D tumor model for preclinical testing. Dr. Mohsin Akbari from the University of Victoria will present on tumor microenvironment modeling. This webinar is open to oncology and drug development professionals. 3D tumor systems provide more accurate drug response assessment. Key topics include high-throughput tumoroid-on-plate systems and immunotherapy screening. Dr. Akbari's research focuses on tumor-on-a-chip platforms. Creative Biolabs offers a portfolio of 3D tumor modeling platforms for oncology research, enabling evaluation of drug responses in a more in vivo-like tumor microenvironment.
Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Health, Fitness, and Wellness podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires like Newsworthy.ai, 24/7pressrelease.com, NewsDirect.com, and BlockchainWire.io. We encourage you to visit newsramp.com to read all of today's news.